Before the opening bell, U.S. indices, they closed up on Tuesday, this time lifted by shares in automobiles and components, U.S. banks, as well as the consumer services sectors. While on the economic docket, U.S. housing starts rising to 1.415 million in September. This all as 71% of S&P 500 constituents traded higher yesterday. Now, taking a look at the aftermarkets hours, we have Netflix reporting third quarter EPS of $1.74, below forecast and up from $1.47 a year ago on revenue of $6.4 billion. Interactive Brokers disclosing third quarter adjusted EPS of 53 cents, a missing consensus, up from 39 cents last year on net income of $302 million. And we also have shares of Snap, which managed to report third quarter adjusted EPS of 1 cent, beating expectations from an LPS of 4 cents a year ago, this on revenue of $679 million US dollars. Now, in terms of expectations today, we do have a busy economic docket. We have the combination of Verizon Communications, Abbott Laboratories, Thermo Fisher Scientific, NextEra Energy, Biogen IDEC, as well as Kinder Morgan all due out today. While on the economic docket before the opening bell, 7 o'clock in the morning, we have the 30-year mortgage rate. 2 o'clock in the afternoon, the Federal Reserve's Beige Book. Now, taking a look at the markets, the S&P 500 is where we begin. That sees choppy action, and that's in focus. As long as the resistance at 3470 is not surpassed, the risk of a break below 3411 remains high. Short positions below 3470 are favored with targets at 3411 and 3380 in extension. Moving on, the Nasdaq intraday continues to see the downside prevail. This while the Dow Jones intraday, that continues to see the downside prevail as well.